So now let's see how we can work around with the guided speed pan option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the guided option right here. And once you go around over here under Fun Edits, you can see speed pan is an option. If I were to go around and then click right here, then you can go around and use the quick selection tool to select out the object that you don't want to add in the motion blur to. So I'm just going to go around and select this car right here, just like this. And you can see that there are more parts being selected, like this part of Windows right here. So I can go around onto subtract right here and then click and drag this out right here, just like this. And then that part is subtracted, as you can see. You can go around over here and then erase this out over here as well. You can go around and erase this part out over here as well that you don't want to apply. So I'm just going to go around and erase this out. You can go around, erase, click on add right here to add these out, as you can see right here, and then refine out your selection right here. So I'm just going to go around and then add in these spots over here as well, just like this. So just going to go around over here, subtract it out over here, just like this, and that is what you have. So once that is done, you can go around and add in motion blur to it, and you can see that motion blur has been added out right here. So you can refine out the brush effect brush over here as well, and then you can go around and add in over here as well. Let's say, for example, in the Windows, I want to increase the size and add in the effect right here. So you can go around and add in the effect over here, just like this. So you can go around and then just paint around the places where you want the effect to actually take place right here as well. And if you want to remove out the effect, you can go around onto subtract and remove out the effect from over there right here, as you can see. So you want to remove this, then just go around and select it right here. You want to add it, you just go around and add it right there, just like that. Go on to subtract right here, remove it out right there. So that is how you can go around and utilize the guided speed pan option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.